Welcome to Multiscale Systems. We're a 5-person team developing advanced mechanical metamaterial technology in central Massachusetts, where we have state-of-the-art engineering tools and testing equipment. We're entering the American-made Geothermal Manufacturing Prize competition to tackle the challenge of material failure in the extreme conditions found in the downhole environment. The problem is that equipment for developing geothermal wells is exposed to exceptionally high temperatures, stresses, corrosive agents, and abrasive rock, which increases the rate of equipment failure and even risks total project failure. Our additive manufacturing solution is mechanical metamaterials, structured materials designed with a wide range of exotic responses to external forces. Multi-objective metamaterial geometries can be incorporated into additively manufactured equipment at the point and time of need. Our team has been focused on additive manufacturing of mechanical metamaterials for aerospace, defense, and geothermal markets. We have a combined 30 years of experience in basic and applied research, including our time at Harvard, Cornell, and UMass Amherst, where many of the discoveries were originally made. We're supported by the American-made network member WorkLab, a startup incubator located here in Worcester, that's helping us navigate the challenge of bringing high-impact technology to the commercial market. With the American-made Geothermal Manufacturing Prize, we will overcome the current limits of geothermal manufacturing with additively manufactured mechanical metamaterials.